Kia ora. Today's video tutorial is about molar mass. Molar mass is how much of a substance is present in 1 mole of that substance. So we're measuring the mass of 1 mole of substance. So the unit for molar mass is grams per mole. In other words, 1 mole of this substance weighs this many grams. So, for example, let's calculate the molar mass of carbon dioxide, CO2. Now, where do we find the masses of these elements, the carbon and the oxygen? They can be found on the periodic table. Each periodic table gives average mass. And we can see here carbon has an average mass of 12.0107. Okay, I'm going to round that to 12 just to make it easier to use. And oxygen is 15.9994. So we'll use 16 for oxygen. That means in carbon dioxide, for every mole of carbon dioxide, there's 1 mole of carbon atoms and 2 moles of oxygen atoms. Okay, so we take the average mass of each of those elements and we add them together. Notice since we've got 2 oxygens, we need to calculate 2 times 16 as part of the molar mass here. So the molar mass of carbon dioxide is 44 grams per mole. In other words, 1 mole of carbon dioxide has a mass of 44 grams. Let's have a look at another example. Molar mass of sodium carbonate. Now we've already looked up carbon to have an average mass of 12 and oxygen 16. But what's sodium? Let's go back to the periodic table and have a look at sodium's average mass. We've got 22.989. We can round that to 23. Normally you'd be given a periodic table that already had values rounded. So you would just use the numbers on the periodic table, but today we're using this periodic table. So with 2 sodium in the formula, 1 carbon and 3 oxygens, we need to go 23 times 2 plus 12 plus 16 times 3. Well, we can add them all up as shown here. And that comes to 106 grams per mole. In other words, 1 mole of sodium carbonate has a mass of 106 grams. I hope this helps with your learning. Thank you for watching the video today.